Hi guys, this is the actual size of the box. You'll get 12 inches and then by 7.5. Let's open the box. As you can see, they put all the runners and the parts inside a single plastic, which is not a good idea, I think. You will get 4 runners for the parts, 1 for polycaps, and then the freestand. You'll also get a sticker, a piece of stickers, and of course the manual. It is written in Chinese, I think, but there's a English translation, and it's pretty simple to understand. Okay, let's talk about plastic quality. As you can see, I'm comparing the quality of the plastic here in a plastic spoon. It's not that shiny, a little bit rough, so it's a good plastic if you want to paint it. Here's another comparison. Yeah, see, it's not shiny, and if you can touch it, it's a little bit rough, which is good for painting. Hi guys, just an update. This is the body of the kit. This is the chest part. As you can see, I got a little stress marks here, which is my bad, I think, because I push too hard. Okay, this is the left leg, and as you can see, the stickers suck. It's not sticking well, and uh, I'm not sure, but I don't like the quality of the stickers. It's up to you if you are going to use the stickers. Okay guys, we're done building this kit. As you can see, that's the back. You'll get 4 extra pieces for the hands, 2 shaking hands, and then the other 2 open palm. And this is the freestand. Okay, let's talk about movement. As you can see, you can move the leg up to 90 degrees in front. You can bend the knees like that. But you have a little bit movement backward because of the armor or the skirt. You can move the shoulders up to 380 degrees. You can also open the shield. Okay, that part. If you want to display it as is, then just push it back. As for the head, you'll get a little bit movement up and down, but you can rotate it up to 380 degrees. you can open the blades on the backpack. Okay, let's talk about size. This is the actual size of the kit compared to a soda can. And then another HG kit here, which is my Tausi. Okay. That's it. Thank you.